Today's adventure is we're doing a snow hike out to Bill and Trina's. It's about 4 miles in what the internet is calling blizzard conditions. It seems a bit melodramatic to us, or to me. It's pretty warm. It's like 20. Anyway, this is us walking. I guess I'll attach an update if we get there, or if someone breaks a leg and we have to leave him behind. It's blizzarding a bit better now. Ah, and the wind dies. What's the point? The wind comes and goes in gusts now. It's a little bit more blizzardy, but 20 degrees, no gloves. Who needs them? Got to climb the mountain. It's like Christmas. Okay, so we did it. We did it. It's starting to look a little bit more like a
blizzard.
It's starting to get a little blizzardier than it was earlier. What time is it?
Oh shit.
So Zave's gonna kill our time on the video. 3:45.
Yep.
When do we start?
I'm opening it. We didn't look. We just left. We started at 2 o'clock.
Hour and
4 or 5.
45 for 4 miles in the snow. That's pretty good.
Great.